do have to say the difference between functional medicine and Chinese medicine are that much, because a lot of time what we focus is not the symptom. When we talk about a whole person treatment, this is shared by functional medicine and Chinese medicine. The reason why we have alternative medicine is because there are some certain aspects on the wellness and health that is not be able to cover by the conventional medicine. And I appreciate that, because a different approach from the conventional medicine, which focus more on the symptom instead of the whole picture of the body. I think alternative medicine could be a very good integration into your health protocol or plan. So as you know that I am a practitioner of TCM and also functional medicine, I do have to say the difference between functional medicine and Chinese medicine are that much, because a lot of time what we focus is not the symptom. When we talk about a whole person treatment, this is shared by functional medicine and Chinese medicine. The modality that we use may be a little different. Both medicine also focus on the pattern, how we get there, how we get from point A when we're really healthy to point B, and what is the factor that might influence that. Functional medicine would look at what cause, what's the potential underlying cause, and also what is the triggering, what is the mediating factor that lead to the forming of a condition. Chinese medicine, just as well, focus on your prenatal condition, meaning that the condition you inherited from your parents or the overall environment that you inherited. Like for instance, in Taiwan, it's more humid, then you might have more damp heat in the body, or also the time and the place, the demographic that you're born into, and that is also the underlying cause. It might lead to a certain imbalance of the body, and also what you put in your body, what you eat, how you live your life, your day-to-day life, how you handle stress. These are also very similar to mediating factor from functional medicine. And Ayurvedic also would talk about what is the root cause, what's the energy, where the energy is source, and how the energy flow in the body. Very similar to Chinese medicine. And so I think if you feel that you are not getting the full picture from your conventional medicine care, I think it's a good idea to add that in. But of course, find the one that you like. Although Chinese medicine and functional medicine, they share a common philosophy, but the modality is a little different. For instance, in Chinese medicine, we use acupuncture, we use food therapy, we use herbs. But from functional medicine, a lot of time we will focus on the dietary change first, and then stress management, and also we'll use supplement, or sometimes other practitioner can recommend acupuncture or massage as part of the protocol. But I do see that a lot of my colleagues in functional medicine, they use supplement and also dietary change as a main modality. Pick the one that you really like, because you might not like acupuncture, you might like the supplement protocol to help yourself. All the alternative medicine are very good at treating certain things or a lot of things. But I think in Chinese medicine, if you want to use TCM as a complementary medicine to whatever you have already, I think one of the conditions that definitely is gynecological. Like acupuncture and herbs, the combination of these two can help with the imbalance of hormone, regulating the ovarian function, and also I feel that Chinese medicine is also very good at treating neurological conditions such as sleep disorder, insomnia, depression, and anxiety as well, if you feel that medication is not your answer. Because a lot of time when we have neurological issue or emotional disorder, a lot of time it's from internal. It's the root cause is actually internal. So meaning that such as when we talk about depression nowadays, then we talk about the serotonin level. And to help the serotonin production, your conventional medicine really is not the best way, although it's very good for the symptomatic treatment. But acupuncture can help regulate the nerve activity, can help regulate, like for instance, vagal activity, and also help the digestive system to produce more serotonin in the body. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.